Namaste students, I am Javin Dr. H.C. Muklan from Department of Food and Biotechnology, Faculty of Agriculture and Veterinary Science, Jyoti Vidyapith, Women's University, Jaipur. Today I am going to discuss about the topic inhibition of starter culture by bacteriophages. So there are different methods, different factors which inhibit the growth of culture in the fermentation process. Okay, usually there are some factors which are not required to inhibit. Sometimes we add these factors to inhibit the growth of some cultures, but usually they are some factors which inhibit the culture growth, the growth of microbes which are involved in the fermentation. So they are not required actually. There are some external factors which will inhibit the growth of cultures. They are not required. What are these factors? These factors include bacteriophages and some additional bacteria. So now the inhibitor of structural culture by bacteriophages. What are the bacteriophages? Bacteriophages are the, as the name indicate, they are phases of bacteria. Means they phagocytose bacteria. They make the bacteria as their primary reproductory system. They infect bacteria. So these bacteriophages will attack bacteria and destroy the fermentation process, the culture of fermentation, and it results in the failure of the production of some fermented products. Okay, mostly these bacteriophages will attack the bacteria which are involved in the dairy products, and the lactic acid, streptococci, lactobacilli are the most vulnerable microorganisms in dairy culture, which are uh, infected, which are used by the bacteriophages. Okay, they are most susceptible from the bacteriophages. So what can we use? Which methods which can we use so that we can inhibit the growth of bacteriophages? What are the plannings by which we can make our starter culture in a safe and protected form? The first is propagating starter culture in very aseptic conditions. Uh, means aseptic conditions means some safe conditions, some sterile conditions. Means we adopt some techniques in handling of some processes. Next is proper heat treatment or temperature conditions, or proper conditions should be provided to the starter culture or the fermentation process, so that the viruses which are present in the process will be killed, will be destroyed. We know that at higher temperature the viruses will be killed. Okay, so they will not survive. So by using the high temperature conditions, we can uh, assure that our starter culture of the fermentation process is very safe. Now, what are the some other solutions so that we can assure that our culture in the fermentation process is safe? What we can do? We can reduce the effect of phases in dairy industries by daily rotation of the phase resistance strains. Means, what is the meaning of the rotation? Means if phase is using one kind of bacteria, suppose that if phase is using one kind of bacteria, then we have some alternative. We have some alternative microorganism that we can use in the process of fermentation. Uh, because these bacteriophages will infect a single kind of bacteria, but if we are not using that bacteria, then we can skip the process of the bacteriophages infection. We can make our fermentation process very safe, because there are very kinds of microorganisms which can perform same kind of functions in the dairy industry. Okay, so we can rotate our bacteria by dairy rotation. We can change our bacteria. The next is effective filtration of air in the starter room. Effective filtration means we can provide some conditions by which our air is very pure. The air of the filtration starter mixture should be very pure. For example, we can sterile the air by giving heat air, hot air. Hot air will have no any kind of bacteria. Hot air will not have any kind of viruses. So we can apply this filtered air. Similarly, proper sanitation of equipment should be premises. Means we need to sterile our equipments which are used in the filtration, which are used in the fermentation process. So we can sterile our, we can autoclave, we can give heat treatment to the equipments which are used in the filtration fermentation process. Next is the location of starter room should be far away from the protection area. Means if we make sure that the starter, the culture room of the bacteria in which we store the bacteria, then this must be far away from the production area, because if there will be any uh, no gap between the production area and the start culture room, then it may be possible that the production area may be contaminated by the some kind of bacteriophages or some kind of undesired microbes. Similarly, some products should be not entered into the room, such as cheese. And next is the propagate starter culture in a phase inhibitory medium. We can develop some phase resistance strains. Means uh, there must be some antibiotic resistance properties should be given to the specific kind of microorganism by genetic transfer, by genetic engineering methods. We can develop some phage resistance strains. Similarly, we can use mixed strains starter culture. The advantage of mixed strain starter culture is that the fermentation process will not be stopped, because if one kind of bacteria is inhibited by the bacteriophages, the other kind of bacteria or other microbes will not stop the process. They will continue the process of the fermentation. So it is a very important thing that we can use some mixed kind of bacterial culture in the process. So all is about the inhibition of the culture by the bacteriophages. Uh, our topic is over here. Thank you very much.